Namaste everyone. As usual, when I was on terrace with my terrace friends, means birds and animals, I saw one crow was drinking water and just taking a small dip in the water. Then I realized they also want to take bath or enjoy with the water. In ancient time, ponds were there. Birds drink water and also enjoy presence of water. Human beings only thinks about themselves. They don't have time to think about the birds and animals. How many people feed birds and animals? Offer food and water. We go swimming pool and learn swimming. Similarly, water bathtub, human use. Just think about birds and animals also. In every city, river, pond should be there. In garden, we have seen the fountains. Birds and animals also want some natural environment. Thank you.